Pandas read_hdf, how to get column names when using Chunksize or Iterator. I'm reading in a large, 10 GB, HDF5 table with pandas.read_hdf. I'm using Iterator equals true so that I can access chunks at a time. For example, chunk size equals 100,000 rows at a time. How do I get a list of all the column names or keys? Also, how come there is no get_chunk method analogous to the one for pandas.read_table? Is directly iterating over the chunks the only way for chunking data, and you can't access different numbered chunks at will? Data 300? Edit. Looks like I can access the column names with a loop that breaks after accessing the first chunk. But then my second question still remains, is there no way to access each individual chunk on the Pandas text file reader iterator, for example, mimicking the get_chunk method of read_table, or with a dict-like lookup, data 0, instead of doing the above weird single iteration for loop?
Have you tried loading the HDF5 file as an store? That would allow you to use the store.select method, which may do what you want, with seeking, etc. You can use select to only operate on a subset of columns too. To me it just looks like it provides more flexibility than the read_hdf function. The following might help as long as you know the structure of your HDF5 file. Note that you can also open an store as a context manager, for example.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.